Today we are running over the process of a gas leak repair in a basement. In order for you to know you even have a leak, the pressure valve will tell you if it starts to decrease from 15 psi, which is what Austin is showing you here. Once that's confirmed, Austin is going to pressure test the line to figure out where the leaks are, which is what you're seeing here. He then sprays a mixture of soap and water, also known as what he calls secret plumbing spray, all around the gas line pipes. Spraying the soap and water mixture will allow you to see where the leaks are in the pipes because it will start to bubble up. You can see where Austin is pointing that there is a gas leak because of all the bubbles that are building up just in that one spot. This picture also shows a good representation of what it would look like when a gas pipe has a leak. Because there are so many gas leaks that have been found in the line, it's going to take some time to repair every part of the line to ensure that there are no gas leaks taking place anymore. Austin is now sealing the gas pipes with a sealant that is similar to glue. He is doing this just in the spots where it was showing a leak, so when he reattaches the pipes, they will be nicely sealed and good to go. After sealing them, he is going to reinstall the pipes where they belong and make sure they are tightened down. Once the reinstallation is done, the job is finished. And here are some after pictures just showing that everything is good to go. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more.